There are some metals that are lucky for you and help you make a lot of money. There are other metals that cause you nothing but grief and loss as well. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to look at the lines on someone's hands and figure out which metals they should be investing in. Hey guys, welcome back to Chariot Palmistry. My name is Sulabh Jain, and in this video we're going to be having a look at which are the karmic lines on your hands that give you good luck through precious metals investing. And we're making this video because No Limit asked the question. I think you mentioned that gold and silver are karmic metals. Please make a video to explain. I read so many stories of people lose their luck when they sold their gold and heard their karma was cleared when their gold was stolen. I heard you could also give your gold to family but not sell it. Is this just a rumor? Also, silver is increasing your intuition and gold is increasing your wealth. I'm sure a lot of people would be interested with this video. Thank you. Okay, so I'll come back in a minute and answer that specific series of questions, but first let's do some palmistry theory and have a look at what the karma is with these metals. You see, gold is the metal of the sun. And so if the sun is good for you, then gold is good for you too. And more specifically, gold is represented by your father. So if you have a good relationship with your dad, then that's going to correlate as good luck with the precious metal of gold. And this is the part of the hand where the line for your father is shown. Incidentally, silver is a metal of the moon, which is connected to your mother. And you can see that on this part of the hand. And I also want to talk about copper here as well, because copper is a metal of Mars. And you see that through the lines for your brother. So in other words, if you have a good relationship with your mum, then investing in silver is good for you. And you can see if you have a good relationship with your mother by the strength of this line. If you have a weak line or a line with a cross or a cut or an island or any malefic influence there, then investing in silver is not good for you. So let's have a look at some examples just so you guys understand exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so we can see on this guy's hand that he's got a pretty good line for his father, so gold is a lucky investment for him. But if we move down, we see that the line for his mother starts, has a break, and then it starts up again. Therefore, investing in silver is not good for this person. Yeah, sometimes in a bull market, you can somehow manage to lose money. So if silver were in a bull market, this guy would manage to lose money on silver. We can also see he has a good relationship with his brother, which is this line over here, suggesting Mars is strong for him. Therefore, copper is also a good place for him to be investing in. In this example, we can see this guy's got a strong line for his mother and a weak line for his father. So he should be putting his money towards silver as opposed to gold. And the last example I want to show you is of this man over here. Very strong line for the father. Now, this guy's got a very interesting life story. You see those rocks behind him? This guy is actually a miner. And he was looking for zeolite crystals in Africa. And lo and behold, he actually stumbled upon a gold mine accidentally. In other words, this guy became a gold miner without even trying. And that's the way that the luck with that father line manifested for the precious metal of gold. Okay, so that's the background to the karma with the metals and how they influence you. They don't do so directly. What happens is the metals amplify the energy of a planet, and the planets express the karma that you have within you. So to come back and answer No Limit's questions here, do people lose their luck when they sell their gold? I don't believe so. You can't specifically sell your gold and lose your luck. What you can do is shift some of the energy you have with your father, whether that's positive or negative, and that in turn can shift your luck. On the other hand, if your gold gets stolen, does that release your karma? Again, look at the way that you release the energy that you have or the emotions you have with your father. If you have anger towards him, losing your gold will be a substitute towards losing your anger with your father. That's how the karma works here. Alright guys, I hope that's answered the question for you on how precious metals influence your karma. And also how to find that with the lines on your hands. If you want to learn about the line for your mother on your hands, click on this video. If you want to learn about the line for your father on your hands, click on this video here. You can even see where you guys were in your past life. Thanks a lot, guys.